Hi, welcome back. So this video is a continuation of my previous video on uh, developing your own interface to train AI models. So as an example, we use the face recognition model. So in the previous video, I did not have this image size setting or maybe uh, an option to select the CNN type, the model type that we are using here. I have an option to select how deep the CNN model is. So let's start from the beginning. So I can select the image size. So I have given three sizes here, but if you edit the code, you can add more image sizes based on your requirement. Let's say we are using the basic size 64 by 64. I submit. So when I submit, it registers as image size is 64 by 64. And then you go to upload images, and then I'll create a class from a set of images of mine, which I have downloaded from, I think, from Facebook. So the class name is me. Images are uploaded. So I'll select submit. It says now the 12 images are added. So if I go to View dataset, refresh view, I can see there are 12 images. Now let's go to the next tab. It allows you to generate random images uh, to a class which is called unidentified. So my images will be uh, tested against these set of images to identify my image at the end. So I will create, let's say, 60 images. Submit. So it generated 60 images. So this LFW is a standard library available to generate images. So if I go to View dataset, now you can see there are 60 images for this unidentified class. Now there's a class imbalance. So what I can do is I can augment this me class. So my me class, I will augment it to be 60 images because the other class is of 60 images. So it will take a little while to generate these augmented images. Okay, now I have augmented 60 images of me. If I refresh, yeah, I can see I have 60 images for me and 60 images for the unidentified class. So then I'll go to the train tab and I can select either KNN or a type of CNN. So for my basic CNN, I have uh, two layers or two hidden layers. For moderate one, I have three hidden layers, and for deep one, I have four hidden layers. So I'll just select the basic one with two hidden layers, and I'll ask it to train the model. Now, the model is trained with 120 images, 60 each for two classes. I'll go to testing, and let's add an image from the set of images that I already have. Okay, I'll just randomly select this image, which I have not added for training. Submit for classification. Yeah, it identifies as me. So this is the basic operation of this one. And then I can download the train model. So if I click download, it will prepare the model and the class name file itself. So if I want to use this model back again, I can use this downloaded model and the class names for the classification, right? So I'm not going to download right now, so you can download. And if I want to reset everything, I can just click here and reset. And of course, I can go with the dataset. And of course, I can delete classes as well if I want. Now, since I have finished this one, I'll just go to, say, for example, unidentified class, and I select delete class. Now, if I refresh the view, I have the me class here, but I wouldn't have the unidentified class anymore. So I can delete a class as well. So this is the basic operation. So, and then I have written this code in this Hugging Face spaces as app.py. So this is the code. So the code is around 500 lines, I think. No, yeah, around 550 lines. Uh, so I will provide you the code so you can create your own Hugging Face space and upload this code, run it and see. And then after you go through all this, my request is for you to add your own options. Say, for example, you can add more image sizes, or you can add more uh, models for training, right? And even you can even add another tab to upload the downloaded model and use the downloaded model for testing purposes back again, right? So these are the things that you can add. So basically, if you are a beginner, you can use ChatGPT to see how this is being done. You can just copy the code and put it to ChatGPT and say what you want to do, and it will let you know what is required. So yeah, so this is one way of learning. So here my idea is not to provide you a perfect user interface or an application, but to show you things that you can do with Hugging Face. And uh, this is kind of a motivation for you to learn AI and see what can be done. Right. Okay. So I wish you all the best in uh, your AI career, and like, yeah, try to learn something in AI and like get ready for the future. Thank you.